So count and index. These are two functions that are built into collections. So let's go ahead and take a look at text. Text is equal to this is my apple and I love it very much. Okay. So if I were to print out so let's go ahead and take a look at what these two functions do. And if you need more details, you can check your textbook because these are fairly simple and straightforward. So we are going to ask what is the count of a particular. So let's go ahead and say text dot count. So this is a function built into strings and built into lists. If I ask what is the count of O, actually let's go with something more common, E. If we get the count of E, there's going to be 3 E's. It's going to say 1, 2, 3. It's going to count the number of E's. If I ask for the number of O's in here, it should return 1 O in love. All right. So I can also do more advanced things like love. Although, mind you, if I try to do capital L love, it's going to be 0 because, remember, Python is case sensitive. If I try to do IS, it's going to count the is in this and the is in is. It's the only one I could see that was 2 letters they could see twice. So, and then, of course, you can also you can count things more than letters. Like you can count how many spaces are there. Boom. Speaking of spaces, what index does the first space appear on? That is what the index will tell you. So index says, given this, tell me where it occurs. Boom. Occurs at index 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give you the index of the first one. You can... So there's more complicated use of that, but it will always give you the first one. Notice there's more spaces than just the one at index 4. Also, if you give it something that doesn't exist, it's gonna just yell at you and crash. So don't do that. Same thing. It works the same way in functions. In lists and tuples. Just remember, rather than searching for letters, you are going to be searching to see if a particular item exists in a list.